Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable floating window on Samsung Galaxy A15. Simply go in settings, scroll down, go in advanced features, go in multi-window, tap on swipe for pop-up view, enable it from here. Here are some instructions and here are some customization. For example, let's open any application. I am opening Google Play Store. Now I can simply use this feature like this. As you can see my floating window. Now if you want to open another application, simply search here. For example, I am opening calculator. I want calculator on pop-up view, so I will simply slide from this side, as you can see. And now if you want to drag the application, you can simply tap on it and drag like this. I can simply use two applications on floating window. This is how you can enable floating window on Samsung Galaxy A15. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel for more information like this.